Beacon Academy is the first charter school that we've ever looked at and fell in love with it.
The school was founded based on parents and other educators who wanted to do something different in the community. They wanted something that had more of a moral fiber to their program, and they also wanted a world language on a daily basis.
I loved the small class size that Beacon offered, and I also liked the Spanish language that they offered on a daily basis. I thought that was great, and then realized that this would be a much better fit for our family.
As a new parent at Beacon, we have found the community, the parent community, the teachers, the administrators, and also the student community, just a very welcoming place.
We use the core knowledge curriculum as part of our overall curriculum, and that is a very classic-based curriculum. It's very rigorous in the sense of what we expect kids to do. We also have honors program in the middle school.
It's more fun to have a story, true or false.
So we really believe we prepare the kids well for the high school setting when they leave our school.
The academics were pretty similar to the private school that we were at as far as the rigor was involved, but I guess at our old school things were a lot more traditional, and when we came to Beacon, the teachers here seemed to make the learning more fun.
All-day kindergarten was an adjustment for our family, but having seen it now, I see them getting to spend more time not just on the important curriculum pieces that our kids are going to need later, but also to have time to address some of the social needs that the kids have as they transition into a classroom setting.
The curriculum is rigorous, and they also integrate the character education piece, which is enormously important to our family.
A lot of that is focused based off of core knowledge, and core knowledge talks about scaffolding information, visiting something in first grade, again in fourth grade, again in eighth grade, and making sure that the kids really have a solid grasp of maybe it would be a different culture or an event in history.
It just shows how they're just building on things year by year and just gaining more and more knowledge and working through each year, and I just feel like that's helping her to retain more as she gets older.
The honors program here at Beacon, the students can choose from 3 different courses, either science, English, or social studies. I know that in English class for one of their honors courses, it's a multi-genre paper, so they dive deep into the process of that type of writing, which they don't necessarily get in their other courses.
Yo voy a empezar.
I do think when parents are looking at a school for their children, I think looking at a second language program is very important. At Beacon, it's really unique in that our students actually take Spanish every day from kindergarten all the way through 8th grade for a whole period every day. And we use a curriculum called TPRS, and it stands for Teaching Proficiency Through Reading and Storytelling.
I was worried about how hard it would be for them to pick up the Spanish language, but I was pleasantly surprised at how quickly they did.
Even if a student is brand new, they're still able to follow along with the story. And then someone who has had Spanish forever is able to, they don't have to look up the keywords anymore. They're able to listen, and they get to just take in that whole immersion experience.
At Beacon Academy, we've worked really hard to create a culture that really embodies the idea that these kids come from all over the West Metro, and we want them to feel a part of something.
I think the feeling here at Beacon is a very small community feeling, and I think the kids really look out for each other, and the teachers look out for the students as well.
There's not like a cliquey type atmosphere. You don't have to feel like an outsider, you just feel like part of the community from the moment you enter.
Let's make today a great day.
Our staff development is very unique. It has our teachers leading the way, one mission, one goal, driven forward based on responsive classroom, core knowledge curriculum, and looking at data in order to improve student growth.
I truly enjoy working here. We have fabulous teachers and staff that work here, and that's one of my #1 reasons of loving Beacon Academy. We work really well together, we collaborate well, we try to help each other out when we can. Especially in the middle school, we do share the students, and so we want what's best for them.
Beacon Academy has a very strong staff. Everyone is very supportive of one another, everyone's always willing to lend a hand. The first day I came here, I felt very welcomed, and I still do to this day. Everyone is always willing to help.
Beacon's got a bit of magic to it. They've created a wonderful place where kids love to learn.
You just get that sense that we're building more than just a place for our kids to be in school, but it's a connected community of people who have similar goals, and are working together to reach those.
We plan to keep our kids here as long as we can.